Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chisom. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful rose with organza fabric. If you're interested in learning this, keep on watching. For these sizes of rose that I made on fold, I cut out the organza on fold at 3.5 inches. As you can see, 3.5 inches in width, while the length is 50 inches. So I cut the organza on fold to be able to give me a rich and thick texture. Okay, so just go ahead and fold the edge in a triangular form like this, as if you want to form a triangle, and you start stitching. Push it edge to edge, match the edge to edge, and keep sewing. When you're sewing, you will notice how the organza is folding and kind of twisting. You don't have to bother about this, because this is what will give it that wavy and rosy effect. Okay, so go ahead and stitch from top to bottom. Next, I am going to be gathering this. Okay, you either run a loose stitch and drag to gather it, or you simply follow this process that I am following right now. Just fold it bit by bit, push under the machine footer and stitch. You keep going. Please don't gather it too much. Make sure you're not folding a lot. Okay, just gather a little bit, push under the machine footer, stitch, and continue the same process to the end. So after pleating it, I'll go ahead and take the measurements that the length is at now. So from the 50 inches length that I cut, it is now at 21 inches. Okay, so let's go ahead and form the rose. So from the edge, you start rolling it. Please make sure you're rolling it tightly. Roll it, adjust it according to how you want it, according to the shape you want it. Okay, so keep rolling and adjusting with your finger where possible, where necessary. You can see the rose is coming out in shape. You can see how beautiful this is. I actually think the smaller the rose, the finer it is. However, it depends on the size that you want. Okay, so if you want a bigger rose, know that you cut a longer strap of fabric. So just tuck the end of the fabric under like this, and go ahead and attach it, tack it with your needle and thread. Just thread a needle, make sure the thread is doubled, and go ahead and tack everything tightly so it doesn't loosen or become bubbly. Okay, so just tack until you're sure that everything is well secured. Okay. Okay, so this is what the rose looks like. You can see how beautiful it is. You can attach this to your dress, your bag, your shoes, or even use it to make a fascinator. Okay, just cut the bulk under so that when you're trying to attach this to anything, it's not going to be difficult. This is the end of this tutorial. Please like and follow for more.